Hi, today I want to walk you through the benefits of the NoCode ProCode membership. So, if you sign up for the NoCode ProCode membership, and it's super easy to do so, you're going to get access to our internal dashboard where you will have, as you can see on my screen right now, courses. We have a course, for example, here that is an authentication course inside of Toddle and Xano, and we got a 2-hour backend course. And you also see that people can ask questions here. And then, if they have questions about something that happened in the course, you can ask your question. We also have a separate ask for help channel in here, where if you have anything that was unclear about any of the courses, any of the videos, any of the exclusive tutorials, exclusively only available for members, you can ask your question, you can get an answer, because sometimes you got things and it looks so simple in the video, but you're like, how the heck do I do this now in real life? And you get the answers to your questions in here. If you have any open question that wasn't fully answered in the course, or you may have something very custom where you want that answer to, so you get that accessibility that if you have a question from something that was in the course, from something really that holds you back, you can ask and you can get a response quick. That's the nice part about that. Most other platforms really don't give you the support when you do a course that you can ask follow-up questions. And I thought that was very important, because this is like an on-demand thing that is like a membership. So you should be able to get all the perks from a membership. And, this is one of the perks that you get. You also have, the tutorials. So we got categorized WIS tutorials. We're not that much focusing on WIS right now. We're focusing more on Toddle. Just a little heads up. So we got all the Toddle tutorials in here, all custom courses only for members. We got, I think, over 15 hours already on Toddle courses in here. Then we also got the office hours, and we have them every day at 9 a.m. PDT. So we got here the office hours, and I think I forgot to upload the ones from Friday, so let me upload them. But we have the office hours, and we also have the recordings. Sometimes they range till 3 hours, where if you have a question from something that was in the course, or from something that really, you can't move on, maybe something was unanswered in one of the courses, or you really got something that you never heard before, those questions will be asked in office hours. So as you can see, let's just mute this here, so you get an idea of what office hours really are. You can ask your questions from things. You can share your screen, right? Or sometimes I share my screen. Like right now, Damien is sharing his screen, and he's actually using our template to make like an AI avatar SARS, and he has some questions like where it comes to file upload. And he had some questions about implementing file upload because he did not want it to use our Toddle premium template to have a beautiful file upload. But the cool thing is, we even got templates for file uploads. So we got those beautiful file upload templates like this in here that lets you beautiful upload those files with those animations all already taken care of. It automatically sent that file to your database. It's just drag and drop and change the attributes. And if you delete it, already deleted it from your database, so it doesn't junk up your database. So we got also those pre-built elements, those pre-built components to make your life easier. So let's actually go back to the NoCode ProCode membership site. We got all of that, right? We also got Xano snippets, right? For example, here we show you how to run a free Llama 3.1 version that you can just copy inside of Xano. And we also got some experimental stuff. For example, we got Despia Mini, the source code to like wrap mobile apps in a web view. It's not the real Despia, but it's experimental stuff. So if you're open to testing some of my stuff for free that I'm just, working on, you get them all in the membership site, those exclusive stuff, for that stuff. We also have some cool things like a source code exporter for WIST, where you can just type. Let's actually, go to a WIST project, or I may not do that in here. I made a whole video about it, but you can type the URL of your Webflow URL, right? And you can then export the code for your WIST project. We also got a reverse proxy tool to generate a reverse proxy, and and you can click on here to download the worker for your web application in Wist and Webflow if you use that. And you can add your custom path so it doesn't interfere with the CMS. We got that stuff, but we're focusing on Toddle, and Toddle really doesn't need many tools. Toddle focuses on templates. We got 2 cool templates. We got a file upload. We got a multi-step form, a slider, right? We got our Flux AI. We got the template for that. We got Toddle and Stripe elements. So I won't expand on here. We got like an AI voiceover generator. We got lemon squeezy checkout. We got a bunch of stuff, and it's always coming new stuff. If you want also a specific template, you can ask for that and ask for help, and I'll make a template that is for everyone available. This is really the value that you're getting here. And then we also have the office hours, and we also have webinars that you can attend, and you get a great value out of that. The office hours are really webinars that answer some of the most hardest questions and also give you a chance to inspire me to make something, to make a request, to make a specific course, because there are people who learn if you hold their hand and you say, click here, do this, do that, right? And then we record it so it is a benefit and a blessing for everyone else, and we'll have that archive of all the recordings. So you can go, for example, in here, and you can search for file uploads, just like that, and you have like this library of resources, right? And you'll see that, we have this office hours where we actually talked about file uploads, and I can go in here and I can watch the office hour, and I can also actually go on the transcript and I can go and look for file upload, and we got them all transcribed using AI. So here we go. I think this is maybe the part that interests us. So in here, we'll see an in-depth tutorial based on the example on Damien's live site, how to make a file upload in Toddle. So you get those really cool, you get those resources that you need to ship your products and to get your projects out there whenever you're stuck. And if you can find something in the search bar, we got the ask for help. And the cool thing of you asking your question, it creates a search entry so that then it can answer someone else's question as well. So this is really the beautiful benefit in here. We also have like a video exchange where you can request ideas for videos. So you say, I want a video about that. And because you are a paying member, right, you're entitled to have me make a video, at least talk about it in office hours. And then we create that video and we put it on the membership side, and it gets part of the library so that you get that help. For example, I think we had that with the file upload preview for Selima. In here, that's a typo, file upload preview. If I go to file upload preview, we had that here where I responded to Selima with a video, with a tutorial on file upload preview, and it's available to everyone. So this just expands the library. So feel free to ask your questions in here. It just makes the library grow and grow even more. And then for super experimental stuff, we also have like a general chat where I just like drop sometimes some nuggets in there for like templates that I don't feel quite comfortable publishing in here publicly yet. But if you are willing to maybe download something with a few bucks, feel free to do so. We also got special webinars sometimes where you get that benefit as being a member, having that subscription. You get special webinars, you get templates for general things, right? We got like a Toddle moving rainbow background color gradient, which is super specific. And Marcus asked about it, and he got it, right? So because he's a member, and it's generally available for everyone, so that's a blessing for everyone as well. We got a class on courses, and the beautiful thing is they're all automatically transcribed by AI. So you get that chapters in here, so you can go to the part that interests you, so you're not wasting any time. You're most efficient with your time, because I think you should only be watching that parts of the course that help you right now. We got the office hours, we got more extensive webinars, and they're also all transcribed as the office hours and as every course. So in here, we set up like an AI storyteller inside of Toddle in that course, right? And then we have like a little Q&A section at the end, because I think it's always very valuable to also not just talk about things in theory, but also get real developers, real no-coders, real users' issues and try finding solutions for them. That is really like a developer-centered approach, because most of the times we talk about theoretical stuff and it works great in theory, but in theory nobody is implementing a file upload or whatever like this. You want to have it like this because users won't know how to do this, and this is really what we talk about. This is really how we focus about. So there is a lot of content. There's, I think, over 30 hours already in educational material on that site to really have this library of ever-growing content that you interactively influence, right? Because if you want something, you can request it and it just adds then something new to the library that I'll be making. So it's really a wonderful solution if you're developing. It's a great companion. It's a great solution that you can have around you to help you really build things quicker and, overcome roadblocks, or also overcome starting challenges faster, because there is no I'm too advanced or I'm not advanced enough to join. We have beginners that need help with HTML, and then I'll make more videos on HTML for them, that get added to the library. It also then helps the people who are extensive in HTML, and they can correct some things or all of that, or give some suggestions on what I should be making courses, what I should be making videos about, like we had with Damien, who said, I need something about classes. We got a lot of stuff on classes now coming, and components, and we already got some done. So this is really like the beautiful thing. And if you're advanced, you always find roadblocks, and you can find the solutions to some of the toughest roadblocks, even how to wrap a Toddle app inside of Xcode to be published on the App Store, and you got the template right here to download it. It's just really like a library of everything you could ever need, no matter at what stage of development you're in for your web application. And then it also combines it with the educational resources and the help that you can get that creates more educational resources and just grows the library for everyone who is a member, who is a subscriber. So if you're interested in joining, you will find instructions in this video below how to join. Right now we have an application process because we have a community, and right now we have about 30 members already in there, 30 subscribers, which I think is beautiful, because we have that application form, because there is that effort. You can request a video and I will make a course. For example, Jerry requested this course, and there are like 3 more hours coming to that. So like Jerry making one request resulted in everyone getting a 6-hour step-by-step course on how to do those things in Toddle, right? It's a bunch of work. So this is why we have it shielded behind an application form. But I can tell you, most of the applications will get approved. We had no one who didn't get approved. But I just have it right now through an application form. So it's a little bit harder to get in there, right? So you really got to show, I really want to be part of this. I really want to get access to this. You making a little video talking about yourself really shows me that you're interested in this. You see the value in this. You value the work that is put into this, and you really want to be a part of that, and then I'm happy to invite you, to have you join, to have you subscribe, to send you the payment link to get all signed up with everything. Because we have that, it's not a mass scale product. It is something that is a little bit more personal, but it still has that software as a service approach, where it is actually, I think, it's educational, education as a service. So if you want to join, you will find details in the description below under this video. I would love to see your application video. If you want to submit an application, you may be even on that website, but there should be a button somewhere that says get full access now, and you'll go to a video like this. You'll watch me talk for a while, but let me show you actually a tip how to skip that annoying stuff. Hi, thank you. What you do, you go here, you skip all the way to the end. Look at that. And now you see this saying record your video. You click on here and you record your video. you know, because if you don't want to hear me 4 minutes talk, this is a way around that. And then you record your video. Hello. Yeah, I would love to join the NoCode ProCode membership. I'm trying to build a web application right now in Toddle and Xano. It's an AI gardening app, and I need some help because I don't know. I always have those issues with failed to fetch, and I need to implement Stripe payments, and I would love to get access to the course and also to the office hours. So yeah, I'm happy to get a value out of this education as a service solution. So yeah, please come back to me. You'll get that. You'll see that there is like, it generates a preview. You like
Hello.
it, you say yes, I like it, and then you put your name in here, NoCode ProCode, and you add your email, hey@nocodeprocode.com. Please don't add my email, please add your email, so you will get, you know, the information sent back how to sign up, but you will go on next steps.
Thank you
And that's
so
it.
much for sharing.
Now you want to make sure, super important.
Really appreciate that.
Shut up. Super important. You got to click on submit application. Otherwise, it is not submitted. So you got to click on submit application because I'm using Video Ask. It's a little bit tricky. And now it was submitted. And now, as you can see, I got it in here on my iPhone. And now I'm going to send you the information back. Yeah, I got it on here. So I'm going to send you the information back. I'll watch everyone's application video. And then once you're not a stranger anymore, you'll be invited to join. Right now, we have it like that. At some point, we'll make it open to the general public, but that can take months because right now, we just want to have enough resources to not have this be overwhelming when we have thousands of people joining, everyone saying, I would like to have a video about this topic, and we have like hundreds of topics. So we tried to limit it a little bit. But yeah, I hope this gives you a great idea of what the NoCode ProCode membership is, how it can benefit you, if it even benefits you. And yeah, if it does, feel free to submit your application to be a part of it. I would love to see you inside as a member and see you doing the courses, doing the office hours, doing the webinars. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much for your support, and have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye-bye.